Good morning, Puan Linda. Today our group represents about the presentations, organization, cultures, and change. There are 8 subtopics in these presentations, which is introduction, definitions of organizational change, reasons for digital transformations, factors that influencing the change, which is internal factors and external factors, resistance to change, 5 strategies to overcome resistance, conclusions, and Q&A section.
Hello, my name is Nurul Ashraf. My matric number is F103. Today, I will introduce a manufacturing company that currently uses a traditional production method. While these methods have been effective in the past, they are now becoming outdated. As a result, the company is facing several problems such as low efficiency and reduced competitiveness in the market. To overcome this challenge, the company is planning to undergo a digital transformation by adopting automation and modern data systems. However, this change requiring the company to adapt to new technology, which may not be easy for everyone. Therefore, in this presentation, we will focus on the reasons for this transformation, the resistance faced by employees, and the strategies to manage this change effectively.
The definition of organizational structure. Organizational change refers to the process of modifying a company's structure, strategies, technology, or operations to improve effectiveness and adapt to internal and external environments. Next, the reason why company undergoes a digital transformation. First, to improve efficiency and productivity through automation, to enhance competitiveness in the industry, to enable data-driven decision-making, and lastly, to increase flexibility and innovation in operations.
My name is Nur Farah Binti Sabri. My matric number is F1042. I will explain the internal and external factors that influence the company's decision to undergo digital transformation. Internal factors. First, inefficiency of traditional production methods. The company is still using manual work and outdated machines, which make the production process slower and less efficient. It also increases the risk of human error and leads to inconsistent product quality. As a result, operational costs become higher. Second, the need to improve organizational performance. Currently, the company may face low productivity and inefficient workflows. It is also difficult to monitor performance due to lack of data. Therefore, the company wants to use digital tools to improve output, enhance employee productivity, and make better decisions. Now, moving on to external factor. First, technology advancements. Technology in manufacturing is rapidly developing, including automation, artificial intelligence, and digital systems. Companies that adopt these technologies can produce faster and with better quality. If the company does not adapt, it may become outdated. Second, intense market competition. Many competitors are already using advanced technologies, allowing them to reduce costs, improve product quality, and deliver faster. This creates pressure for the company to transform in order to remain competitive in the market. In conclusion, both internal weaknesses and external pressures are key reasons why the company needs to implement digital transformations.
My name is Nurdini Sofia binti Saiful Azwan and my matric number is F1040. So I'm going to explain the resistance to digital transformation. This slide explains the resistance to digital transformation among employees. Firstly, fear of the unknown. Employees may feel anxious when using new technologies because they are not familiar with them. For example, Workers might not know how to operate automated machines. Secondly, job insecurity. Some employees worry that automation could replace their jobs. For instance, machine operators may fear losing their roles due to robotics. Next is reluctance to change established processes. Employees are already comfortable with current methods and prefer manual work instead of switching to digital system. And lastly, concern about increased workload. Employees need to learn new systems while still completing their daily tasks. For example, they may have to attend training while handling their regular job. So, in conclusion, these factors can slow down digital transformation if not managed properly. That's all from me.
Good morning to Puan Linda. My name is Chong Kapo and my matrix number is F1036. Today I'm going to present about the 5 strategies to overcome the resistance. First is educations and communications. Means the companies can explain about the change clearly to the employee. This is very important because employee might feel resist when they doesn't understand the reasons of change. So when the companies communicates properly, it can reduce their confusions and fear. For example, the manager can explain how digital systems will help the employee increase the efficiencies and effectiveness of the work. Therefore, education can help employees to understand the change and reduce the resistance. Next is participation, which means companies involve their employees into the change process. This method is really work because when employees are involved in the process, they will feel get values and respected by the company. For the results, they are more willing to support the acceptance. For instance, companies can ask about employees' idea or allow them to test the new technology before the implementations. Therefore, the participations makes employees feel involved, values, and they are more willing to accept the change. So the third strategy is facilitations, which means provide support and training programs to the employee. This strategy is really useful and important because when having a change in the systems, the employees might get stressful and difficult. Having proper support, they will get more comfortable and confidence in adapting to new system. For example, the companies can provide training programs and technical assistance to them. Therefore, facilitations helps employees adapt to change more easily.
My name is Iman Jasmine and my matric number is F1031. I will continue with the other 2 strategies to overcome resistance. We will start with negotiation. We offer rewards in exchange for employees' acceptance of change. Employees feel motivated when they get benefits. This encourages a positive attitude toward a change. Next is coercions. We force employees to accept change using authority and pressure. This ensures quick implementation when other methods fails. Employees comply to avoid negative consequences. In conclusion, change is key to business success. Digital transformation boosts efficiency and competitiveness. Resistance happens due to fear and uncertainty. Strategies help manage resistance. Good management equals successful change. That's all from us. Thank you. These are the questions that we provide. For questions 1, which is what is organizational change? The answer is process of improving structure, technology, or operations. Most effective strategies is training because it builds confidence, and lastly, role of leader is to guide, support and motivate employees. That's all from us. Thank you.